Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya pi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
UMLA jong Kamau Korwat constituency uba Renington El Tongkar. Haka arpulai terik mentau benaya yong arjar arpuway. Ulabo mau nong rim bantay yaka rural han. Hapo ka sinong Mau Korwat, kanang mankentiw yaka yok kakot jong kipait ba hapo ka Southwest Khasi Hills District. Kajing penurlong yaka ni ka rural hat, kalong hadin baka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, kalayatrelang bat ka Block Mission Management Unit Mau Korwat. Hagajing lang kabalalong hajan ka Mau Korwat Community Hall layadon langru ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills District, ka Kongsi Kharkongor, nang tadi u James George, ubalong u DGM jong ka Nabat Shillong, Utpal Besbaro, ubalong DDM jong kanabat, Nongston, uba FB Basan, ubalong Block Development Officer jong ka Mau Korwat, lembat kiway di.
To set up this facility, really congratulate all of you for putting all your effort, putting a lot of effort to bring this project here. And then what we need to do is we need to fast track the implementation of it. Now today is the foundation laying ceremony. And although we have given 1 year for the construction of this facility, let us complete it as early as possible, maybe 3 months, within 6 months of time, if we can complete it, and then come here for the inauguration of the building, then that would be the best thing. Let us do it as early as possible. And when we take this much effort, why are we doing this? This is one question that we need to ask ourselves. Because I know that district administration as well as MSRLS, BDO, everything has got people in their mind. People should get some livelihood. People should be able to sell their produce at a price which is profitable to them. That is the aim and purpose behind this particular project. Now, how can we do that? This rural heart should be basically one hub in which all the villagers can transport their produce, bring it here, and connect to the outside world. And we at NABARD has got various schemes which we can help to do such a thing. For example, people doesn't have road to bring their produce here. We have got RIDF fund. We are sanctioning it to government of Meghalaya, and then those kind of facilities we can bring here. We have got various other products wherein we can take the villages outside the state even to see the markets there, to create market linkages. They can go there, they can talk to the people who are actually processing these products, and then they can interact and they can sell the produce directly to those markets and those processing facilities. So such kind of projects and helps are available here. We have sanctioned one tribal development program here, wherein around 60,000 rupees per family we are giving to around 200 tribal families, not as cash but as kind. We are raising plantation there for a project which is 5 years long, and whatever help this district administration requires, people require, we are ready to give. And we are really happy that we are all taking such a good effort to implement such a good project here. And I hope that this rural heart will come up in a very big way and be an example in the entire Meghalaya. I promise you, whatever help NABARD can give, we will give. Let us together work and then take the state forward.
Harumta kumbalaya yu hindi kampat ulong harimta bring layo ban play ya ka permanent rural hub kemudian ka yo hi na kabenta jong kinong rep kumbala batai pi metan di kalau ki bas utara Cibun nomor ba kani ka project kani in convergence komod ka bay trelang bat ka MGNRGS NABARD bat ka MSRLS di habang yun kitilang hakuno ka project karon ka jingjo di kalau ki bas utara manginyo ban Zangno ini project mentahi nakaba hadin balang dapat play yang new but bagi instang ni jing train. Kapakongsan kalong ba kani kajing temu jong kani ka rural hat kadai na kabenta kinong rap jungi bagi lai na ka post ka for bagi jenjar bagi wat ki yau ki hat ki jenjar ban wat kamtam ya ka jaka bagi stop ki dia kita jungki di dakabawan jong kani kelurahan inget ba kan yarap kendiat ya inorep jingi ki buat kitan per na kitan was ti kamtam ki wan di ki mar bata jiki ini hangni bangila pelong sisi ya kayo delang jong ki self help group ki bakala yan ha ban tang hapo mar kata kita jiki lalut di inget ba dakajingwan jong kani kelurahan jingi ru ken kandam ke cimentoy bagi ni ki priyo na ki keleng sodong jong ka khan jingi ki yo ban kam ki kelurahan na bata ka development jong ki hi ba kita ka ki jong economy jong isno ki thau jong ki Kunjuru kajingwan jong kani kelurahan kalong ki ka bentoy ketika area ngi brokowei nomor kelai kumbala ong bai ba khadosa ba kising ai jong balang ya ketika jaka ka pelong ka jaka ba kalong kawei na jaka ka ba yo alat ban decongest ya kamau korbat nomor ba hapo yo mo korbat kembali im sistem kalam pun sia kajing ya tur nomor ha ka jing punya dia yo ba hat dai da ka ba yo ni susu ya yo ni indon ka decongestion ka ba yo ka ki ki nong rap ki dia talang ha ka jing ke ki mar ka ta ki ha ka jing stock ki dia ka
jingmen toy shibun yaki nong rap ki jongi ki bedon thang ni namar ba kumba phio I kane ka rural hat ka la thau ya ka jaka ka belong ha pedeng ha jong ka mau kerwan bat ki priu ki ba per ki ba nanong kendong ki la ru ban walam yang ki tiar jong ki bat kin di hang ni ha kane ka building ka ba khot ka rural hat de kham jing at patien nge ba kane ka rural hat kane ka building rural hat on la dep ya ka kan ben toy bha yaki nong rap jongi ki members jongi SHG bat kumtal terter bat kunjuru kan ben toy yaki brio jong kan ka thang ru bat habakyo I ba ki tiar jongi ki yadyo kan ben ai man sim ba kiru kin nang ban mi yang kita tiar ki ba ki la ban di hang ni bat habaka anda kilala ban di yang kita joki habaka dan ka yo ka income joki farmers bat joki SHGs bat kumta ter ru kan kiu bat ka kiu ka jingkot joki ka society ru kan kiu ka community ru kan kiu
kadauba ekabang ila persian ban develop ban perbahai kiri kemadan baki beriu kenlong merosong yo hangni namar ngisku tu bakadon ka nit kadon ka jidon kam pakrau bangin don ka social distancing haka bakadon ka jia jengai jung wei pat kinong wan yo bat kinong didukan hayo mokrot namar ka yo mokrot kal khamnya hadu kata-kata ngila persian de hendai ngisku menru bakat bangi ngilang persian haka to por kane udah knaji pangru ulanang jano tikipai ba kilas ngulur biang banyak khapnya biang kumtu tiga yo hangde kam sim padla urlong sim la pandai kam ya ka ande sokman hadu kata-kata bahaka inisiatif kejongi kumkinong yalam haka bangila persan banwanra haka ni kadong kathan hangde mokrat konsumsi une usok bang yo mentasi ban le yo foundation stone kadai ke jinga tristom jogi officers ban prakhat kumno ban penjanai kadau kaba sim la an penong kom kodai ke yo kadai kejing bomdon jong ke infrastruktur publik tu biang asukman hadu kata-kata bamenta gin sayo ban bu no yo monong rim bandon kan rural hat ka bandon ka infrastruktur ka babah ka bandon ka building ka babah badla ka don ka bangin khmi lenti bakane ka jaka kanong ka balarkam ha ka yo ka hat bandi konjes ye ka yo mokrot kandai de kejing don jong ke infrastruktur ka babah hukum kini ngakmi lenti bakane kan urlong sisa but dan lagi ada bantai kade ikbe lenti bak babon ki beru kersawan ban pelong yo hangle kade ke jaka ke babet ke jaka ke babiang hadu kata-kata
hoi 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 gani kasmi bakrau hangi lapoi garurat lovely hash dong jongi kayu long mi limbaki SHG National Rural Livelihood Mission Kaseng Batri Ladiang Ikat Bamon Bankin Tiu Kayo Kakot Jongi Kublai Shibun Yajing Yarab Jongpi Oh hoi 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 Nakanika Yang in yo jing mentoy Yala kasap hangit tuwan kani Burom kanlong yaka district jongi National Rural Livelihood Mission Kaseng mapli ladyang ikan bangon Bankin tiu kayo kako jongi Kublai shibun ya jing yarab jongki